How to groom a rough collie. Rough collies are a beautiful breed with a thick double coat of hair that requires maintenance and grooming. Brush your rough collie once a week, being gentle in sensitive areas and removing all mats and knots from its coat. Trim nails and excess hair from paws, ears, and legs, and clean your dog's ears and teeth to remove buildup. Wash your dog every 6 to 8 weeks, particularly when it is molting. Be sure to remove excess hair and dry your dog thoroughly after bathing. Brushing your rough collie. Buy the right tools. Caring for a rough collie's thick double coat can be challenging, but it is manageable with the right tools. While there are a variety of products and specialized tools on the market, you can properly groom your pet with a few basic items. Visit a pet store to buy a bristle brush, a long pin brush, a basic comb, grooming scissors, a mat splitter. Choose a grooming spot. Pick a consistent spot to groom your pet that will be relatively distraction-free and comfortable. Opt for an easy-to-clean surface, e.g. the floor, a tabletop, a mat specifically reserved for grooming that hair will not stick to. A raised surface will limit your dog's movement and require less effort for you, but be sure that you will be able to lift a fully grown dog onto it down the line. Get your puppy used to brushing. Starting to brush your puppy early, at around 8 weeks old, will allow it to relax and cooperate in the future. Gently restrain the puppy with one hand and start brushing it very lightly with the pin brush to get it used to the process. Have your puppy sit or stand for brushing, either on the floor or on a raised surface like a table, and praise it for staying still. Brush specific areas carefully. Brushing sessions for a full-grown collie should last about 30 minutes and cover different areas with specific tools and care. This regular brushing ensures that the coat and skin of your dog stay in top condition, and that its undercoat doesn't get matted. The front legs, the back of your dog's front legs should be brushed with a pin brush, then with a comb to smooth hair. The fluffy hair on the back legs should be brushed very carefully with a pin brush. The hair on its tail should be brushed very lightly with a pin brush, as it is very sensitive. Hair on the dog's underside, where your dog may not enjoy being brushed. Use a pin brush, brush gently, and have someone help you keep the dog still if it gets restless. All other areas should be brushed thoroughly with a pin brush, then with a bristle brush to ensure that the undercoat is as smooth as possible. Look for mats and knots. As your dog's hair grows longer, it is important to look for mats in its coat while brushing. Mats occur in areas on the coat where there is rubbing or movement, or where old hair gets caught up with new, growing hair. Mats can be teased out with a comb to prevent them from becoming knots, which generally must be removed by gently dragging the mat splitter across the hair to cut the knot out. The key areas on your rough collie to look for mats are the front legs, particularly near the top where the leg joint joins the body. The hind legs, especially at the bottom where grass and twigs might get caught. The rear, particularly near the base of the tail. The tail.